Hi, this is a Texas Nail Educator, and today I'm coming to you with a hack. This hack is with your lint-free wipes. When you're using regular gel polish that you have to wipe the inhibition layer over, you have to use alcohol and you have to use a lint-free wipe. And preferably one wipe per nail. So, to save a little bit of time, I'm going to show you a little hack. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our lint-free wipes. We're going to cut them in half by the diagonal. And then we're going to just put them in a container. Put some alcohol on them ahead of time. Be sure they're soaked up good and ready. And then when you need them, all you do is open up, get you one lint-free wipe out, and remove that inhibition layer from the nail. Now, if you have one of these containers, you can do the same. You can take your lint-free wipes out, cut them in half. I cut mine in half to save money. I can put them in here, and if you want to, you can spray a little alcohol on them ahead of time. And then when you need them, take them out. They're ready to go. And one wipe per nail. So, that's your hack for the day. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share.